Thank you to the brand for sending me this standing desk. So it comes with all the tools necessary and 4 simple illustrative directions. We're going to start off by putting that black cap on the T stands. And you're going to do that to both. Next, we're going to put the middle design between the stands and screw them on. We're going to use the long screws. And we're going to go ahead and do that to both pieces so that they stick together. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and move forward by adding the wheels. They were super easy. You can just use the wrench to twist them into place. Next, you're going to grab the twisty fan knob and put it on both ends. And then after that, once that's screwed on, we're going to put the simple T stands and insert it into the black cap as demonstrated here. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. That's it, you're done. And then we're going to use the other twisty knob and put those onto the both sides as well. You want to grab that single rod and put it at the top. This is what's going to hold our actual desk. And then I'm grabbing the actual desk and I'm going to screw that on with the 4 long screws. And we're pretty much all set, you guys. Pretty simple, really easy, digestible instructions. The desk was super sturdy, and I love that I can customize this according to height. You'll have to adjust it manually, but it is a much more affordable alternative to an electric standing desk.